Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Quality English Tutor podcast. I'm Alex, and I'm so happy you're here today. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sara. It's great to see you. Are you ready to practice some English with us?
Absolutely. Today, we're talking about a very common topic, jobs. Sara, how are you feeling today?
I'm great, Alex. And you? You look a little tired.
Yes, I am a bit tired. I woke up very early today. The sun wasn't even up yet.
Oh no, why so early?
My dog wanted breakfast. He was very loud this morning. It was hard to sleep.
Oh, that sounds funny. Speaking of pets, how is your cat Buster?
Buster is good. Sometimes he is playful, sometimes he is naughty. What about you, Sara? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. I drank tea and read a book before bed. It was nice and quiet.
That sounds lovely. Well, I hope you're ready to talk about jobs.
Yes, I'm ready. So, Alex, what is your job?
I am a graphic designer. I make pictures on the computer, design logos, and create visuals for companies.
Interesting. What is a logo?
A logo is a picture for a company. For example, Apple has an apple as its logo. I make similar designs for other companies.
That sounds fun. Do you enjoy your job?
I love it. It's very creative. I use many colors and can draw all day. But sometimes it is a bit difficult.
Why is it difficult?
Well, sometimes the computer is slow. Sometimes clients ask, "Can you change this color?" And then later they say they liked the first color better. Patience is important. And what about you, Sara? What is your job?
I am an English teacher. I teach young children ages 6 to 10.
Wow, that must be fun. Is it loud in your classroom?
Sometimes very loud, but it's fun. The children have a lot of energy and love singing songs and playing games.
Do you sing with them?
Yes, we sing songs about the days of the week and the weather. I can't sing for you now, though. Maybe another time.
Okay, so do you like being a teacher?
I love it. It's hard work, but very rewarding. When a student learns a new word, I feel so happy.
That's wonderful. For me, when a client likes my design, it's a great feeling too. So our jobs are both rewarding.
Yes, they are. Where do you work, Alex? Do you work in an office?
No, I work from home. My office is in my apartment. It's comfortable, but sometimes I feel a little lonely.
I understand. I work at a small language school near my house. It's convenient because I can walk there in 10 minutes.
Perfect. So, we both have interesting work. I think that's a great start to our conversation about jobs. So, Sara, tell me about a typical day for you at school. What do you do from morning to afternoon?
Okay. I arrive at school at 8:15. I prepare my books and materials for the day. The children come at 8:30, and first we say hello and sing a good morning song.
A good morning song every day? That sounds fun and cheerful.
Yes. Then we learn new words. Last week we learned words about food. Apple, banana, bread, milk. Very important words. After that, we play a game with the new words. Then we have a short break.
What do the children do during the break?
They run, play, and sometimes eat a small snack. Then we read a short story, do a little writing, and finally say goodbye at the end of class. It's busy but very fun.
That sounds like a full morning. My typical day is a little different. I start at 9. First, I check my emails and drink my first coffee. Then I look at my list of tasks for the day.
What kind of tasks do you have?
Well, I need to draw new ideas, talk to clients, and sometimes change old designs. Every day is a little different, so I am never bored. But sometimes my eyes get tired from looking at the computer all day.
Ooh, that's not good. What do you do then?
I stand up, look out the window, and walk around my apartment. Sometimes I even talk to Buster. I ask him, "Do you like this color?" And he usually says, "Meow." I think that means yes. Or maybe he's just hungry.
Pets are great helpers, even if they are a little bossy. Do you have meetings too?
Yes, we have a team meeting every Monday morning. We talk about all the projects for the week.
Are the meetings long?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. My coworker Ben talks a lot, but he is funny, so it's okay. We laugh a lot.
Our teacher meetings are more serious. We talk about tests and students, but sometimes our principal brings cookies. That makes the meeting better.
Cookies are always a good idea. Speaking of work, what skills do you need for teaching, Sarah?
I need to be patient. Children ask the same question many times. I also need to be organized and kind so my students feel safe and happy.
That's wonderful. For my job, I need to be creative, know computer programs, listen to clients, and of course, be good at drawing.
Yes, listening is very important, and being creative sounds fun.
It is. Well, Sarah, it sounds like we both have busy days, but we enjoy our work. That's the key, isn't it?
Absolutely. Enjoying your job makes all the hard work worth it.
So, Sarah, what is the most difficult part of your job?
The most difficult part is when the children are sad. Sometimes they cry or fight with each other. I try to help, but it can be tiring.
Oh, I understand. That does sound hard. For me, the most difficult part is when a project is very big. Sometimes I work on a logo or a poster for hours, and then the client asks, "Can you change it again?" That's frustrating.
I can imagine. But do you have any funny moments at work?
Yes, once a client asked me to make a green cat logo, but later they said no, the cat should be blue. I had to redraw the cat 3 times. I laughed so much, but my eyes were tired.
Oh, wow. That is funny. I also have funny moments. A student once called a banana a nana. I couldn't stop smiling, and all the children laughed too.
That's adorable. So, despite the challenges, it seems work can be very fun too.
Absolutely. And what is the best part of your job, Alex?
The best part is making something new. I create a design from nothing, and when the client loves it, I feel very proud. Sometimes I even show Buster my designs, and he looks at them like, "Nice work." That's great.
That's great. For me, the best part is seeing the children learn new words. When a student finally says a word correctly, their face lights up. It makes all the hard work worth it.
Yes, that's wonderful. Do you work on weekends?
Not usually. Saturday is for cleaning my apartment, and Sunday is for relaxing. Sometimes I prepare a few lessons for the next week, but I try not to work too much.
I see. I work from home, so sometimes I spend a few hours on Sunday on projects too, but the rest of the weekend is relaxing. I also take Buster for a walk in the park. He loves it.
It sounds like we both balance work and rest carefully. That's very important for enjoying our jobs.
Absolutely. Now, let's talk a little about hobbies. I like drawing and making new designs. Sometimes it gives me new ideas for work too.
I love reading and sometimes painting. It helps me relax after a busy day, and sometimes I even make little craft projects for my classroom. It's fun and creative.
That's nice. I think having hobbies makes work more fun and less stressful.
Yes, hobbies give energy and happiness, and sometimes our hobbies can even become part of our job.
Well, Sarah, we talked a lot today about our jobs, daily routines, and favorite and difficult parts. It's a lot of useful English.
Yes. Let's quickly review some important words we used today. First, client.
A client is a person or company that pays you for your work. For example, a coffee shop can be my client if I make their logo.
Next, rewarding. Something rewarding makes you feel happy and satisfied. Teaching children or finishing a logo can feel rewarding.
Coworker is another word. A coworker is someone you work with in the same company or school.
Convenient means something is easy and saves time. For example, a school near my house is convenient.
Skills are things you can do well. Drawing, teaching, cooking, or using a computer are all skills.
Routine is the usual way you do things. For example, my class routine is hello song, new words, game, short story, writing, and goodbye.
Project is a specific piece of work with a start and end. Making a logo is a project, and preparing lessons is also a project.
Finally, responsibility is something you have to do. My responsibility is to take care of students, and Alex's responsibility is to finish projects on time.
Now, Emma, let's wrap up everything for today.
Yes, we covered a lot. First, we talked about what we do in our jobs, teaching and graphic design.
Then we explained where we work, our routines, and the daily tasks we do.
We also discussed coworkers, bosses, and even pets like Buster.
And of course, the good and difficult parts of our jobs, plus the skills we need.
We learned and reviewed new words like client, rewarding, coworker, convenient, skills, routine, project, and responsibility.
Exactly. So here's the motivational part. Every job has challenges, but your effort, patience, and skills make it meaningful.
Yes, and just like in our jobs, learning English is a project. Some parts are hard, but the rewards are amazing.
Keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and celebrate small successes every day.
Remember, every step you take is progress. Even small steps matter a lot.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and enjoy your journey.
Yes, you are all doing a fantastic job. Don't forget to share your dream job in the comments.
And remember to subscribe and like this video so you won't miss our next conversation.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone, and have a wonderful day.
Great review. Now it's your turn. Our question for today is, what is your job or what is your dream job?
Yes, write a short sentence. For example, I am a student, or I want to be a doctor. If you don't have a job now, tell us your dream job.
We will read every comment and love hearing from you. It helps us make better videos and understand what you want to learn next.
Also, if you have ideas for our next topic, write them in the comments. Maybe hobbies, food, or holidays.
Before we finish, thank you so much for subscribing and liking our videos. It really helps us a lot.
And remember, learning English is a project. Mistakes are okay. They help you improve. Keep learning, keep practicing, and have fun.
Yes. See you next time. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day.